Are you ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency? Today we are going to learn how to transfer Toncoin from your Tonkeeper wallet to Bybit in just a few simple steps. Whether you are looking to trade or simply manage your assets, I have got you covered. Step 1. Prepare your account. Before we started, ensure that you have both your Tonkeeper and Bybit accounts set up and verified. If you have not done this yet, take a moment to complete the registration process on both platforms. Step 2. Open your Tonkeeper wallet. Launch the Tonkeeper app on your device. Log in using your credential. Navigate to the wallet section where your Toncoin balance is displayed. Step 3. Initiate the transfer. Click on Send button within your Tonkeeper wallet. Enter the amount of Toncoin you wish to transfer. Now you will need your Bybit deposit address. Open Bybit and go to the asset section. Select deposit, then find Toncoin and copy the deposit address provided. Step 4. Complete the transfer. Paste the Bybit deposit address into the appropriate field in Tonkeeper. Double check that everything is correct, especially the address. Confirm the transaction and wait for it to process. This may take a few minutes depending on network traffic. And there you have it. You have successfully transferred Toncoin from your Tonkeeper wallet to Bybit. Remember, always double check address and amount before confirming transaction to avoid any mishap. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more crypto tips. Happy trading!